Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss a strategy plan for your IELTS exam for 10 days. So start with first day. Everyone have dream to go to foreign nation for study and for working. But for this, we have to crack the exam that like IELTS, TOEFL, yeah, PTE and other exam for going abroad. So first start a mock test for IELTS exam. Take a mock test and analyze where you are going low and where which section is you need to work on which section, because you have to find out your weakness first. Okay, day second, get your material, research and help in place. Like, which is most important thing for cracking any exam is that we have to keep good sources, like good study material that can help in cracking exam. Like that, for reading, writing and speaking, we have to go through some mock test paper that can help you to score high. Okay, next is day 3. Start reading test. Practice for reading test on that day. 3 points that help you on that day. Develop the art of skimming, scanning and reading with agility. This will help you locate answer fast. Those students are expert in skimming and scanning never lose their answer and score, but those are lacking in that part will get low band score in that. Okay, in that section. Second is read the question and instruction really well in order to not miss the final detail. That means this is the important part, that you have to read the question and the instructions. Okay, third is understanding the paraphrasing. What is happening in reading test? Like, they paraphrase the word, so students are confusing in that section, reading section. So just understand which type of word they are paraphrasing, and is they use synonyms or anything else. Okay, day 4 is listening test including 4 audio clip. Okay, so you have to take care of these 3 points. Check note the question quickly. Like, they uh, before audio clip begins, you just have to check your section first question, and if you have some time, then also go through section second. It will help you to get some keyword that help you in your listening section. And what is more important is that develop art that while you are listening, so you can also writing down your answer on question paper. Okay, थर्ड इज़ द आंसर आर प्रेजेंट इन सीक्वेंट फैशन. लाइक जो आंसर होंगे वो सीक्वेंट मैनर में, जो हमारी लिसनिंग है उसमें प्ले ऑडियो क्लिप प्ले होती रहेगी. बट यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट, like if you miss 3 or 4 question, yeah, if you miss one question and you are just stuck on that question, then you will definitely score low. You just have to think about that. You can't go back. Okay, you can't start the clip again. So just skip that question and just go for another question that help you in your listening section. Okay, day 5 for writing test. There will be 2 tasks in writing section, like writing task 1, writing task 2. You have to write 400 word in total 40 minutes, and you have to keep some points in mind. The type of question varies slightly and can look like they are asking your opinion. Sometimes what happen, they are asking for opinion and you just start to giving discussing about that. Okay, you are not giving any opinion, but you are discussing about that topic. So this is the very common mistake that students are now doing. Second is the type of question are very slightly and can look like they are asking your opinion. Okay, sorry, it's the same. Practice breaking your thoughts into paragraph. For writing test, it is very important that practice breaking your thought into paragraph. You have to make 4 paragraph in your writing task, 2 1 in both. First is an intro or secondary thought, an intro, primary thought, secondary thought, and a conclusion is a must. Okay, uh, for day 6 speaking test, start to practice for speaking also, and you can do that thing, do all that thing regularly also to get score high. But if you have to manage part time, you have now doing something else, so you can do that type of things in part time. Okay, day 6 is speaking test. Speaking test, this test require you to answer the examiner for 10 to 15 minutes. There will be three different type of question there, and here is what about your good practice. Three different type of what you have to practice. Work on not just what you are saying, but the pronunciation as well as the sentence construction is very important in speaking part. And look at your start to practice. When you start to practice for speaking test, look at yourself in mirror when you are speaking. Observe your body language and sentences. Work on developing a confident style of speaking and sitting or standing in front of examiner. Day 7, identify your weaker section again. Dedicate this day to analyze mistake that you make repeatedly. Repeat. You will be able to identify your weakness better. Go through all the tests that you have taken so far and find things you need to immediately work on. Day 8. Work on specific skill you will realize after day 7 the area that you lack in, whether it is on building a decent vocab or your writing skill. You could also spend this day taking professional help and asking an expert to review a progress and suggest quick ways to improve. That means if you are lacking in some section, so you have to talk to a expert or talk to your tutor that help you in that section. Okay, day 9, check multiple tests on day 9. Once you work out a strategy for taking the exam, it is best to test it. Use this day to take as many full length tests as possible and working on identify the section that you have made progress in. Day 10, review your journey. Now that your day 10 journey has come to an end, dedicate this day to reviving and retreating the lesson that you have learned so far. So this is the 10-day strategy for your exam. If you want that PDF, so you can just try to contact me, and that PDF charges 10 rupees. I will provide it you. You can, if you pay, if your payment is done, I will provide it to you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and payment paytm number will be on description box.